Balanced radial design fireworks. In a balanced work of art, some of its elements may be focal points and attract the eye, but not one area of the artwork draws your eye so much that you can't see the other areas. Balancing a composition involves arranging both positive and negative space in a way which makes everything work together and fits together to create the work of art. The supplies you will need for this project includes a pencil, a white paper, an eraser, and crayons or markers of different tints and shades. Different tints and shades means that you will have one color with light and dark. For example, I could use dark green, medium green, and light green. I could use dark blue, medium blue, and light blue. I could use red and light red. For my fireworks, I'm going to use red and blue. Step 1. Draw 7 pencil dots. The dots are where you will draw your fireworks. Space the dots out so you can fill the page with the fireworks. I have circled a dot so you can see the dots. Step 2. Color the dots. Select the colors you will use for your fireworks. Color the dots with the colors you selected. I selected red and blue for my fireworks. I colored 4 dots blue and 3 dots red. Step 3. Drawing the first ring on the fireworks. Use the same color you used for the dot. Draw 4 lines around the dots. Space them out in a plus shape. Step 4. Finishing the first ring. Use the same color but different tints and shades to draw little lines, filling in the spaces around the 4 lines you already drew. Step 5. Drawing the second ring around each dot. Use the opposite color to draw the second ring of lines around each dot. Step 1 is the 4 lines like the plus shape. Step 2 is adding a line in between each line. Step 3, fill in the empty spaces. Remember to use your lights and darks. Continue alternating color rings on the 7 fireworks until the fireworks fill the page. Use the steps below to make sure the lines are evenly spaced and going in the correct direction. At any point, you can always pause the video to catch up or push ahead so that you can see the final piece. Here are Mrs. S's finished red, white, and blue fireworks. If you missed any parts of the video, feel free to rewind to re-catch up. Thank you for watching, Mrs. S.